Central City Apartment Shenzhen by Xzhou Design in Shenzhen, China. Open space provides freedom of growth and opportunity for new possibilities. One immersed in the space should experience the freedom of living through creatively interacting with it. This is what designers Margie and Xinru said in regard to the idea of freedom in space. They implemented this idea in a high-rise apartment in the central area of Shenzhen. The owner of the apartment has a dual identity of being an artist and a successful entrepreneur in the medical field. In her ideal world, she imagined the apartment is a flexible space that not only meets the needs of the team working, but also a place for business gatherings and entertainment, individual work, and leisure. Therefore, on the premise of satisfying both leisure and work functions, Margie and Xinru weakened the sense of boundaries defining a specific function. Transformed the space into one that switches modes at will, just like how the owner of the apartment changed between multiple identities. The total area of the apartment is 80 square meters. The designer opened up all the walls, setting the space free and light. Natural light extends along the entire floor-to-ceiling windows, creating an excellent light-to-shadow atmosphere, and extending the openness of the overall layout. The background tone of the space is simple and soft. Pastel colors with tints of blue carry out the gentleness and peace of daily life. The natural wood texture and metal decorations add a touch of playfulness to the space, just like that unexpected encounter and surprises in life. 01 Freedom of space scenarios are divided using flexible wood partitions. Original space is reorganized and defined as partitions slides back and forth separating and joining living and work needs. Cozy white and blue become colors that shuffle in the space, giving the apartment unique vitality. 02 Transformable furnishing, flexibility and interaction between space and its user is considered throughout the design. Putting emphasis on the vitality of space, the designer creates mobile furnishings that adapts to users' different needs. Wheels, adjustable parts, switches, and springs are customarily inserted in places to maximize mobility and surprises. The biggest highlight is a customized ping-pong table designed to match the user's dual identity. The designer selects unique wood veneer with a specially dyed leather net to constitute this multifunctional toy. Custom-ordered metal components allow the table to be easily separated and combined together. A specially crafted leather net transforms the table into a ping-pong table, meeting, and individual work desk. The innermost part of the apartment is designed as a comfortable living area, with storage cabinets that can be easily accessed, side tables and tea tables that can be moved arbitrarily, transformable sofa beds for overnight stays, and washrooms hidden behind the wall. These details are the life trajectory outlined by the designer for the client to showcase the excitement and surprises in life. Work, entertainment, and living fulfill this apartment. Here, there is a kind of relaxation and joy like entering a playground when you were a child. You are never tired of playing with various toys and rides. This free and changeable space, like a childhood playground, enriches work full of excitement. Switching between scenes, the space inspires creativity and motivates communication and interaction with colleagues, friends, and furnishings. The designer tried to endow the space with life. Utilizing site advantage of high-rise scenery and abundant natural light. Transparency and a boundless setting allow the entire apartment to have a larger sensory experience than its actual square footage. Taking into account the lifestyle of the user, the designer abandoned the use of traditional fixed furnishings. The interaction between people and objects provides the occupants with an interesting space experience and also leaves more possibilities for shaping a plentiful life.